Hi, this is Sarah from Meeting Hub. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at location centres from the admin panel. A Meeting Hub location centre is the physical building where your bookable spaces reside. The location centre may be a single building or may be part of a group of buildings or a campus. Your organisation may have a single location or many locations. From location centres, you can create, edit, deactivate or archive a location. Let's take a look at how we navigate to location centres. Click on Manage Space Facilities and select Location Centres. We're then presented with a list of any locations set up for your organisation. The Action button enables you to view the configured details about any set up locations. The Edit button will allow you to change any configured details about your locations. Should a centre or location no longer be available, it can be deactivated by selecting Deactivate. Should it become available in the future, you can reactivate it when you're ready. A use case for this might be when you're renovating. If a centre becomes permanently decommissioned, it can be archived using the Archive action. To add a new location, we just click on the plus button in the top right hand of the screen here. Just noting that the asterisk means that this is a mandatory field and must be completed. Any fields with no asterisk are optional and you don't need to complete them. Let's take a look at the fields in detail. The centre name is a mandatory field. It's the name of the location that will be displayed throughout the application and booking process. The booking confirmation email field is a mandatory field. Enter the email address where you would like your organisation's booking confirmations to be sent, for example, reception. A copy will automatically also be sent to the booker. The booking confirmation email CC field is not a mandatory field, but if completed, it must differ from the main booking confirmation email address. If you would like the confirmation to be sent to multiple contacts within your organisation, you can list CC email addresses here, separated with a comma. This is particularly useful if you want to send copies of booking confirmations directly to accounts or to your CRM system. It's important to complete the open and close time for your location. These times influence when your customers will be able to book. Remember, a business centre admin within your organisation can override open and close times and make bookings on behalf of your customers, but your customers will only be able to book during open close time parameters. Ensure the time zone field is set to the time zone of your location. The site ID is a unique ID for this location. If added, it will be included in the billing file along with transactions for that centre or location. The master date format is set at the organisation level. Should you wish a centre location to have a different date format, it should be set here. If the format is the same as the organisation setting, there's no need to complete this field. Again, if the taxes for your location are different to the organisation setting, they can be set here. Otherwise, just leave this field blank. The region field sets the region for the particular location and influences which locations display when a booker is searching to book. The centre address is the physical location of the centre and allows the booker to search by city. Within the finance section, you can set revenue targets. These can be set by month for the centre location. The actual target will be populated by actual booking values. You'll notice you're able to review previous years when revenue targets were set for those years. Revenue targets can only be edited for current and future years. That concludes the tutorial on location centres.